are here at the Laser Technologies office where they are organizing their open house event for the launch of their new product. And the machine maker team is here to give you all the insights from the event. So let me take you in.
This software is having a lot of benefits. If you are using 2 or 3 machines and if you are having 100-ton material production every month, you can save almost 7 to 8 tons material, which is huge saving. और आज के टाइम पे इतना ज़्यादा कंपटीशन है कि अगर पैसे कमाना है तो 2 ही तरीके हैं, या तो प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ाएं या स्क्रैप को कम करें। तो जहाँ पे रॉ मटेरियल का यूटिलाइजेशन आता है, वहाँ पे अल्मा कैम्प के साथ में हमने ये शेयर किया और उस हिसाब से इन्होंने एक बहुत ही अच्छा और कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव जो सॉफ्टवेयर है वो डेवलप करके दिया है, स्पेशली फॉर HSG मशीन्स।
We are using ReTenX software since a month, and we are processing almost 120 tons per month, and we've seen that we are saving around 8.5 metric tons of material due to the auto nesting, which is huge. So in value terms, it is almost rupees 5 to 6 lakh rupees. So I recommend this software to everyone. We have got huge results and we are still exploring its new features.
One of the first customer of Laser Technologies, and we are really happy the way Laser Technology has grown from what I had seen and today itself. The new software, nesting software, my team is using that software, and we had bought a 12 kilowatt laser machine from Laser Technologies, and on that we are using this software, and in terms of nesting it is very much helpful. Second, the offcuts, what normally is being scrapped out, that is being recognized in this software, and you guys use the whole offcuts also for the nesting purpose. So in terms of percentage, if I am not wrong, at least there might be 20% of saving compared to the old software. So it's really worth buying this, and I do recommend as a customer, it's good for us.
Lets you design fixtures without any CAD tool requirement in less than 20 minutes. It's AI powered, and you can export files for 3D printing or CNC machining without requirement of any expertise of design for additive manufacturing or design for manufacturing. So this tool is good enough for welding fixtures, assembly fixtures, laser welding, or any of such applications where normally fixture making takes months. Now this is possible in a day.